Thank you for coming back to this channel and tuning in back in this content Uniconverter part 2. So in this content, we're going to discuss about the features and benefits of this screen recorder. There are four types of recorder: webcam recorder, audio recorder, and also application recorder, as well as we're gonna explore the other features under tools of Uniconverter. So let's get started. But before that, and this is one of the awesome features of this and tools that I'd like, and I was surprised it was included. So that's why I'm very happy with this software. So you can do a screen recording in anything you do on your screen. That's include your webcam, or if you don't want to show your face, you can do so without webcam, but you can do both. And so, or you can do only webcam recorder. You can also only do a audio recording uh, without any screen type. So it's like for the podcast, all those stuff. And application recorder, this is one of the awesome that other screen recording software doesn't have. Application recorder, that means you're only focused on this. Let's say you're going to switch other window, you it doesn't record on your screen. So only focus on what you lock. So let's say you lock only the screen recording under this, it's only focused under this. So when you switch your window, it doesn't show on your recording. So that's the awesome this application recording. Um, let's see if we can find out something settings that can see the cursor by our viewers when you're recording your screen. Because compared to the screen panel that I've been using right now, just to for you to see how's the screen recording features of this Uniconverter. I believe this is settings regarding so you're on the application. Let's set it up. This, this is all set. Hmm. Let's do that as well on the screen recording. Regarding the mouse, it's all set. Let's see the difference now. So let's see. This is just to show you if the mouse cursor, let's put it to the test. So let's see if the cursor now mouse cursor is showing up now. Then we'll stop right here. So here we go for regarding screen recording. It's overall what you're doing in your computer screen. Let's say while explaining in this particular platform, let's say we need to open a folder, it will show up. So sometimes you accidentally not gonna show something that it will show up on your um, recording screen. So here it goes. Let's say you have the browser, and all of those will show up. And that's the only difference when you're recording screen recording. And for screen recording, you have these controls. If you want to put something, open a folder or or you need a drawing, let's see, circle, or you're gonna highlight thing, or you're gonna insert the text. Mm, You can also undo in quick, or can do it how thick it is for arrow, remove all. If you have multiple and then you want shortcut, okay, let's see about the line. Let's say you have the line, can do so. And you can also open any pictures, or let's say, never mind this. Okay, remove everything. You can insert a circle, can do so. He'll remove everything automatically. That's how it is. What's cool about this Uniconverter, there are a lot more under this tool tab that you can enjoy with in this AI lab. You just have to download it if you purchase the lifetime version, and you can enjoy every one of this. Just download it and it's good to go. Like this, just wait for it. If you want, you can download everything up to here. Some of these I already download, so you can see the download button. And then under tools, there are more you can enjoy with. So as you can see, there is a subtitle editor, voice changing, watermarks editor, noise remover, smart trimmer. You can trim your video, make it easy. Later on, some of these I will demonstrate it and put it to the test. Background remover. This is one of the most content creator doing. Let's say only the human. Uh, they gonna cut and paste into other background. AI portrait and autograph video stabilization. I'll show it how it works later. Now we for this time are gonna try this video stabilization. So under the tools, let me, here we go. So under the tools and video stabilization, which solve the problem of video jitter. So I made it a shortcut. I already picked one of the video to for example is concerned. So in this selection, you have uh, option settings of if you want to replace the overwrite the file that you're going to edit, and there is a crop scale, what it says. And there's also crop scale. It says on the notification, a higher crop scale will lower your video resolution. And there's an edge processing. So there are four options like none, tile, in, reflect, and expand. So let's see what it does. Supplement the method of filing the whole pixels generated by reducing the jitter. So what it does is when you're shaky while filming the video, it will lessen the jittering. See of tile, or let's try reflect. Okay, now the exporting is finished. Let's see the video stabilization under reflect option. Let's see how's the changes. Very great. As I observe it, I think it works well. Yeah, I remember carefully that time my video footage was kind of shaky, but at least it lessened anyhow, so that helps. So that's awesome features as well. If you have any video that accidentally, that's quite perfect enough. So. So let's this time under video stabilization from tools tab. So what it does under the edge processing option, supplement the method of finding the whole pixels generated by reducing the jitter. And for this, before we opt for reflect, this time we're gonna try the tile, and let's export. Let's see what it looks like. So this is what it means by the option for edge processing. So in the case of jittery of the video, it fills with this under the tile edge processing. So if you would notice all in edges, it's extending the same footage from within this video. See that? See this? So that's what it means of the edge processing. So earlier it's like a reflex, so it's like let's go back to the first one we did under the reflect. See the edges, it's kind of stretching. As you can see, it's kind of stretched the edge of the video. You can see more later. Yeah, see that? It's reflecting as reflection of the mirror. So this is how it does on this video stabilization from Wondershare. I think we don't need to. Now we understand how it works, so what, what it does. I'm not gonna go for the third one. And thank you for watching, and this is it for now for this Uniconverter application. So as you can see, it's very useful in every single features and benefits you in all the way. And thank you for watching.